Hey guys, today we will be doing ice cream and we will be do.
Here is our Blue Bunny ice cream. We've already brought it to its container.
So I'm gonna be gobbling it up.
Gobble it.
I've never tried it before. That is some good ice cream.
What did you think of that ice cream?
It tasted like nuts.
Okay, now that that's done, we have sufficed ourselves with delicious cream. We are going to go on a scavenger hunt for a long lost item.
Yep. Be careful, there's a nail on the ground, you might get tetanus.
A good idea when you're walking and you get bored is that you can do a little dance. See, look.
Let's go on our way. Holy crap! Don't make me. Oh!
Gabe just burped.
We made it just a wonderful discovery. Look at all of these. This is in front of someone's house.
What are you gonna do with them?
I don't know. Make more.
Those are weeds. You probably shouldn't have done that.
Cut. We're almost to the mysterious place. But first we're gonna stop at a water break because I am thirsty. And I bet Evan is too. Are you thirsty, Evan?
Not really.
Well, we're gonna get water because I'm thirsty.
I can see your stash.
So the whole, oh my god. There's something wrong with this hole.
This hole just keeps filling up with soup.
We don't want the soup. I presume here.
That's the hole?
Maybe. It's very far away from our old hole.
If that's the hole, then this must be where we buried it.
Okay, let's do this again, my friends. We failed.
It's a baby bird and it's dead. Oh no, and its little leg.
Oh, I didn't even get it.
And those little legs.
There's sand in my cut. This is the worst day ever.
It's a baby bird and it's dead.